Hey guys, hope you got 10 minutes and you got a cup of coffee. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you have that cup yet? Hey, that's a good coffee cup right there. So what I want you to do is go on that link right above here, click on that. You can order all kinds of coffee cups with all kinds of different pictures on them. So check that out, and let's check out this next video. Well, yeah, it's another day. I did a little more work last night on this thing. We're going to finish it off today. If you didn't see the first video, I'll put a link on it up here somewhere showing you what I'm doing. But mainly what I'm doing is changing the whole hinges out because I didn't like the way they were. And we got two cameras going. There's the other one right there. He's looking at me right now. But we put in longer bolts here last night, and I put some washers in there. So now you can see that transition right there. You can't get much leveler than that. That motorcycle will go right in there and not hit a thing. But I'm going to set it up. The reason why the towels are there, let me tell you. There's a big sharp edge down there. And you know me, I get cut just looking at something sharp. So let me get this pulled up and you can look at it. You've seen how that sits now, it leans in. I told you that on the last one. I'd like to get it more straight up, which would be about here. So I got to figure out something down there to make up the difference. You can see that part down there, this part used to be up top of that. So we got to figure that one out, and that's what we're doing today. And yeah, let's put that on that so I don't fall down and hit me on the head. I know my luck. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, that's shit. That's hard to cut drill through. Oh, checking out the old scrap metal to see what we got. That'll work. Well, we found this piece. I think I can use that. The other stuff I found is too light. But I think I can take this, put it there, bend it down, and then connect it. Let's see. And if that works, then I can just whack the top of this off. And then just use this. And that saves me a lot of welding. Alright, we're going to put that right there. Yeah, then I can just stick this right through. Well, where do I want to put it now? I'm putting this in there, what I'm thinking. Well, I'm thinking I'm putting this one in it. So don't fall on my noggin. Okay, now then. I can cut that and weld that right to there. I think that's what that needs to do. I think that can be cut and drop down right there. Well, what I've decided to do is I'm going to get rid of all this. Cut that off right there. Take that off. This part is welded on, and when I weld something, it don't come off. But I'll be able to cut that metal off right there. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do. are cut off, and so I can weld something right to here if I need be. We'll go from there, figure it out. I got a cutting torch right there. Probably a lot of you guys are going, man, I just used the cutting torch to take it off. Well, I would, but Vicky's trying to get me to keep this floor as nice as possible. Now, if I'd have had the money to get it, what do you call it, coated in that really hard stuff, I'd have gone ahead and just cut the heck out of it right there. But no, I don't. So that's why I'm using the cutoff wheel. It works okay. It works okay. 3 inches. Okay. That's the bottom. Okay, what we got? This is where my brain gets to working. And yeah, I don't have that big a brain. Okay, I think that I'm doing. I can't stop. No biggie. There we go. Well, it's done. Is it pretty? No. Is it functionable? Yeah. So we got that welded, that piece welded on here, and now the paint's going to drying right now, and I'll slide up there. My chain right here will fit right in there. Same thing on this side. The only difference is this gate was cattywampus a little bit, or I think the rods were, because I bent them once. So this one goes on top, and this one goes underneath, which is not going to make no difference. It'll just hold it shut. Now I got to do a little spot weld on here and over here so them don't ever come off, and I think we're done. Man, that's 3 hours worth of work today. Back is feeling it too. So I'm not even going to put the tools up today. I'm going to get in and take some pills. You know. Anyway, let's go also do a little editing once my back feels better. And I'll throw all this on here for you. It's done. They work great. You stick the things through them and that'll hold it. So we're all set up. It's a nice smooth transfer. I'm pleased with this job. And hopefully you're not listening to that guy in the background singing, because that will screw up my video. Okay, shut you down. We're done.